Hi, it's Noelle Chomp back here with another video. As you can see, we're here with Churches. JJ, do you want to say what we have, or do you want me to say my plate and then you say yours?
I'll say my plate.
Okay.
I got the spicy chicken sandwich. My favorite. It's tasty.
What else you got?
Got some mac and cheese.
So good.
It's delicious.
And then we got, oh, he got a biscuit, and we got biscuits. We got some fries. I got the finger steak basket because I wanted to try it. I mean, what is this called, Deborah? Finger steak.
Steak finger basket.
Yeah. And then I got dirty rice, some French fries that I put with hot sauce and ketchup, and some white gravy, and some biscuits.
I got some extra hot sauce just in case if this isn't spicy enough.
First bite for y'all. Some dirty rice. This is how dirty rice is. Right? This place in Bay City should go tell Por La Vaca how to make their dirty rice.
Okay, the 10-piece mix, there's white and dark.
Hey, let me try this.
So you want to mix? Okay, mashed potato, macaroni, and honey water. I sell it for 8 and 12.
It's good,
And what else?
but it needs.
Here, try it, Deborah. Guys, if y'all hear people in the background, because we're here at the restaurant.
Okay.
That's so good.
Okay. There's one olive cheesecake.
These French fries, though, bomb.
Okay. So let's say
Guys, I'm just telling the truth. Do not go to Churches in Por La Vaca. I'm like serious. The only thing they make good there is that burger. That's the only thing I tried there that's good. And the chicken. But like any other thing, they like burn it. Oh, and I'm drinking Coke. They I don't know. Over here at Bay City, it's better. What do you think, Diddy?
qué bueno. Este es todo.
Perfect.
So good.
Este es todo.
Guys, I always want to try this because I've seen Quan Tran do it, but he does it with the brown gravy, so I'm going to just do it. Nah. Maybe it's better with the brown one.
What are you doing?
I'm going to give my sister a try of this. Here it goes.
Well, you should try this.
No! Did it all fall?
Yeah.
I'm sorry. Gosh, that was a fail.
Yeah, I fell all over the ground.
Just stop trying to be mean. It's all fall.
As you can tell by my face, did not like it. Maybe because my nephew added more chile.
The chile is delicious.
This, you want to try this, Diddy? You want it with gravy?
I got some of that sauce on it.
Guys, these fries, it's not, I don't know why. Jada, let's do the chomp together. Ready? Are you ready? Let's go. So good. Oh yeah, guys. Biscuit. Look how big this biscuit is though. Look at it. Look at it. It's so freaking big. Look at that.
This tastes like
See what
Louisiana
it looks
sauce.
like. Oh yeah.
Ugh. This hot sauce tastes like Louisiana hot sauce.
Oh yeah.
Guys, it's been forever since I had a freaking Church's biscuit, so it's so good.
How are they gonna say they don't have no honey? People
know.
must love their honey.
Oh my god. This biscuit though. Watch me do my dance.
What are you doing, JJ? Doing the Debbie shake.
Magic card.
Magic card.
If Magic card was a dance, I'm pretty sure it would be like. Right?
Guys, I have tried biscuits from a lot of places, and Church is still the best. Oh, these biscuits.
Chicken wing, chicken wing.
So cheesy.
It's so fluffy, so buttery, so honey, so good.
Talking about a biscuit, right?
What size? Regular or large?
Sure.
The regular size, there's $1.99. The large, there's $3.99.
Want a bite? No, it's mine.
The $3.99?
Stingy.
Anybody want to bite?
Why are you stabbing yours?
Oh, I'm trying to pick it up. Do you want to bite?
When Daddy said, "Do you want to bite?" I heard, "Do you want to build a snowman?"
Right?
No. Each bite costs $5. Every time you take a bite out of this, you gotta pay me $5.
Dang.
I'm making money.
That's an expensive biscuit. You gotta pay $5 for a bite on a biscuit. A bite. I love these biscuits, but nah.
How many? Well, then you would try to do it in one bite. But then you wouldn't enjoy it, though. You gotta
Is
enjoy
that a
it.
challenge?
It's, I don't know. I got an extra biscuit.
Hello, may I have you?
Are you dipping in my gravy?
Mm-hmm.
This
What's that, JJ?
over
Mac and
now.
cheese?
This rice though. The seasoning's on point.
Mac and cheese is always best when it's hot. The steam. You wanna do the magic cup?
Sorry.
You wanna do the magic cup?
Guys, the lady was just staring at me and laughing. That's why I said that. Oh well.
So you want the 20-piece
Honey,
mixed meal with
this is how you get some honey. Stab it. Pull it out.
And this complete glutamine?
It's honey.
Oh, okay.
I didn't know honey came from biscuits, but okay. I'm gonna butter this biscuit. Oh my god.
Hello, may I have you?
Saggy.
Oh yeah, he's getting into it.
Saggy.
Cut it open. Oh yes. Here.
Steam.
Satisfaction right here.
Steam.
Oh yes. Oh my god.
This is difficult with the plastic knife.
Are you seriously sitting here having surgery on a biscuit?
Yes.
Nice. I think you're more like cutting it open than sewing that thing back up.
You don't need to be sewed back up.
Oh no!
Because it's always sewed back up when I swallow, when I eat it.
Gravy, guys. Who does not do this? Yes, it's a fat thing. Who cares? I usually put ketchup in it with it.
And you drink? The high tea that's lemonade, is it okay?
See that shit? Trying to jack my fries?
Okay, so that's in the window.
Wait.
Mm.
Okay, so that's in the window.
Okay, drinking it's better.
That's got no seasoning in it.
It needs more pepper. Legit.
¿Que no ibas a qué, Mari? ¿Ya no ibas a qué?
Okay, guys, like I always say, have a nice day. Remember to chop away.